Okay, I got a little cut off there, so now I'm going to do number 14. And the first thing I'm going to find is the axis of symmetry, which is x equals the opposite of b over 2a. So the opposite of b, now to be careful here, we have ax squared minus, well, excuse me, plus bx plus c is our standard form. So I have a, that's the coefficient in front of x squared, and I have b, which is the coefficient in front of x. And I don't have a c, so c is going to be 0. Just be careful that you use -4 for our b. That is b, the coefficient of x. So the opposite of 4 is 4 over 2 times 2. A is 2, and so we get 4 over 4, which is 1. So our axis of symmetry is x equals 1. And I'm going to draw that in. X equals 1. Now I'll find the vertex on that axis of symmetry. And I'll put x equals 1 into the function. 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 gives 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4, that's -2. So the vertex is at 1, -2. Step 3, the y-intercept. The y-intercept is going to be 0. Our c here is non-existent, so it's 0. But just to be sure, we could put 0 in for x. Let x equal to 0. And so 2 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0, well, that's 0. 0 squared is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. That's 0. So the y-intercept is at 0. The name of that point is 0, 0, when x equals 0 and y equals 0. And that point can be reflected across the axis of symmetry. There's 3 points. To find another point, I can put in 3, or I could put in -1. I could put in -2, but I'd rather not get a really big number. So I'll do 3 in for x and see what y value. It should be somewhere up here. 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3. So that's 2 times 9 minus 12. So 18 minus 12, and that equals 6. So if I put 3 in, so the point is 3, 6. If I put 3 into the function, I get out 6. And I can reflect that point over here and draw in the curve. And there's the parabola. That should help some for you to do the other 3 problems. Finding your axis of symmetry, using it to find your vertex, getting your y-intercept, plotting all of that on the graph, reflect your y-intercept, and then find another point and reflect that. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.